Hi, my name is Valentina and today I will be unboxing the PMD Clean Acne. So I've been a fan of PMD products for years, have owned the Clean as well as the Microderm. So I'm really excited to show you this new product as well as talk about some of the new technologies, including SonicGlow technology, blue light therapy, and the silicone brush head. So let's get right into it. So here's the product. It comes in this nice little white box. Here is the warranty card so you can register with PMD directly, as well as a quick start guide with important information and other details. And then this is the product itself. It comes in this plastic clear carrying case. So you open it up. First thing you see is the device itself. So this is the PMD Clean Acne in the Carolina blue color. Absolutely obsessed with the color. And it comes with some matching goggles, so to protect your eyes when you're doing the blue light therapy, as well as a USB charging cable. Alright, so let's get into the features. So the first feature I want to talk about is the silicone brush head. I love this because it's so hygienic and easy to clean, and best of all, you don't have to replace it, so you're saving money in the long run. It is antibacterial, odor-resistant, hypoallergenic, and waterproof. So the next feature I want to talk about is the SonicGlow technology. So this product vibrates at 7,000 vibrations per minute at the right frequency to ensure you are getting the deepest dirt and oil out of your pores, all while lifting, firming, and toning your skin. So it's like you're getting an at-home facial treatment while cleansing your skin. Who doesn't love that? So in addition to the silicone bristles, this also has two modes, both a gentle and intense vibration mode, which can be triggered by this button in the front. So you just press once for the gentle mode and then press twice for intense. So this ensures that you are getting the deepest clean regardless of what your skin type is, and it is gentle enough for everyone. So the last feature I want to talk about is blue light therapy. On this side, you see you have the blue lights. So these are medical grade LEDs that emit a blue light for treatment of mild to moderate acne. Each treatment lasts up to 3 minutes and is safe for daily use. I mean, where was this when I needed it in high school? Alright, that is it for the PMD Clean Acne unboxing. I hope you enjoyed it. If you want to learn more about this product, please click the link below. My name is Valentina and thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Happy cleansing!